Next question is, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of a 15 under root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. First of all, make the diagram. In this given figure, A is the point of observation, B is the initial location of the jet plane, C is the final position of the jet plane, A, E, D are the points located on the horizontal line of the eye of the observer. From point E to, it means from observer to the initial location of plane, angle of elevation is 60 degrees. After 10 seconds, the final position of plane is point C. From point A to C is 30 degrees. The height of the plane is constant, that is 1500 root 3 meter. It means the height of initial position of the plane is BE, that is 1500 root 3, and final position of the plane is C, and CD is equal to 1500 root 3. It means after 10 seconds the plane is at the same height. Here A is the point of observation, B is the initial location of the plane, which is 1500 into root 3 meter above the horizontal line of the eye. C is the final location of the plane, which takes place after 15 seconds. CD is the 1500 into root 3 meter. Angle of elevation from point A to B is 60 degrees, and after 15 seconds, when the location of the plane is at the point C, then angle of elevation from A to C is 30 degrees. Consider triangle ABE. In right triangle ABE, then 60 degree is equal to BE upon AE. Value of BE is 1500 root 3. AE is not known. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3. 1500 into root 3 is the value of BE, and AE, just leave it. AE is equal to 1500 root 3 upon root 3 is equal to 1500 meter. Value of A is 1500 meter. This is 1500 meter. Now in right triangle, right triangle ACD. Tan 30 degree is equal to CD upon AD. CD is equal to same value as BE, 1500 root 3. Value of CD is 1500 root 3. It means height of the jet plane is constant. It is flying at the same height. AD is equal to AE plus AD. Value of AE is 1500 and AD is not known. Value of tan root 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 upon 1500 plus ED. First of all, we consider right triangle ABE. Tan 60 degrees is equal to BE upon AE. After solving, we got the value of AE is equal to 1500. Now consider next triangle, right triangle ACD. Tan 30 degrees is equal to CD upon AD. CD is equal to 1500 root 3. AD is equal to AE plus AD. AE is equal to 1500. We found the value of AE, that is 1500, and ED is not known. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Now we got the value of ED is equal to 3000. Considering right triangle ACD, tan 30 is equal to CD upon AD, that equals to 1500 root 3 upon AE plus ED. Instead of AE, we put 1500 root 3 upon 1500 plus ED. By cross multiplication, we got 1500 plus ED is equal to 1500 into root 3 into root 3. ED is equal to 3000. ED is equal to BC. It means the displacement of the jet plane is BC, that is equal to ED, which is equal to 3000 meter. Distance is 3000 meter and time is 15 seconds. This is meter per second. 200 meter per second. Speed in kilometer per hour. We got the value of speed is equal to 200 meter per second. Because speed is equal to distance upon time, we got the value of ED. ED is equal to BC. Speed in meter per second is equal to 200 meter per second. Speed in kilometer per hour is equal to 720 kilometer per hour. Because we have changed the meter into kilometer and second into hour. That's why we got 720 kilometer per hour.